Welcome to our presentation. We are Group 40 and are here today to present to you our project on Orlando Jewellers. Introduction. First, a little background on our chosen company. Orlando Jewellers is a small family-run business in Guildford, established in 1972, specializing in contemporary, traditional and antique fine quality jewellery, with the aim to provide their clients with unique and stylish jewellery to accommodate different tastes, designs and styles. Now we will look at their business model. Having carried out further research into the company, we have identified the 9 key elements of their business model. First, we will discuss their key activities. Orlando's activities are focused on production and problem solving. The jewellers specialises in designing and selling custom-made jewellery as well as antique and vintage pieces. The firm also focuses on problem solving by providing post-purchase services such as repairs and restorations. Customer segment. Orlando's jewellery focuses on a niche market which consists of people aged 25 to 50, with a high disposable income due to their premium pricing strategy. With a store in Guildford and an online presence, the business is able to reach both local and international customers. Channels. Orlando Jewellers use both online and physical channels to directly deliver the value proposition to their customers. Value proposition. The business's value proposition is incremental, with a focus on delivering outstanding customer service. In addition to the sale of jewellery, the business offers other services such as gem testing, professional polishing, and design commissions, with a focus on customization and performance. Orlando offers their customers a wide range of unique, high-quality jewellery, with the option for customization such as engravings. Key resources. Orlando's key resources include physical, intellectual, and human resources. Their physical resources include their building, machinery, and distribution networks. The business also heavily relies on human and intellectual resources. Intellectual resources includes their customer database, whereas human resources include skills and expertise of their employees. Human resources are important in knowledge-intensive businesses such as Orlando's, where design capabilities are essential. Orlando Jewellers employs qualified gemologists with a wide experience of buying and selecting gemstones from all around the world. Cost structure. Now we will look at Orlando's cost structure. Orlando Jewellers is a value-driven business with a premium value proposition. Customers pay premium prices for the additional services with an expectation of high-quality products and services. Orlando's most important costs are their fixed costs, such as rent, insurance, and machinery, and their variable costs, such as salaries, cost of sourcing gems and the raw materials, and shipping costs. Relationships. The Jewellers has a good relationship with their customers, with customer retention being a key motivator to maintain good relationships, because good relationships will enable them to generate sustainable profits. For example, Orlando's offers personal consulting meetings to get a better understanding of what their customers are looking for, which is also an opportunity for the business to present samples and show jewellery they would recommend based on the needs of the customer. Orlando also gives customers the opportunity to get involved in the process of designing their own jewellery through co-creation, enhancing the customer experience and giving the customer the feeling of being connected to the brand. Key partners. Partnerships are important in improving business performance by acquiring new resources. This applies to sourcing gemstones and raw materials to create unique pieces of jewellery. Through its partnerships, Orlando benefits from risk and knowledge sharing within its supply chain. Some of Orlando's partners include raw material producers, delivery agents, WorldPay, PayPal, and gem testing experts. Revenue streams. Their revenue stream is transaction revenue from the sale of products and services. Offering a comprehensive service and high-quality products creates value for the brand, enabling Orlando to charge higher prices. They utilize the menu price list. The price of products depends on the features and the nature of the jewellery, whereas the price of the services depend on the type of jewellery and the amount of work that is required. Strategic value of IT. In this section, we have examined the strategic value of IT and how it benefits Orlando's. We have identified 3 key features that can lead Orlando's to gain a competitive advantage, increase their sales, profits, and efficiency. Monitoring e-commerce data. First of all, Orlando can monitor its e-commerce data and identify frequently bought products. By doing this, they can identify the sufficient amount of orders for each product, and also are able to make inventory management more efficient. Linked database. Going further, suppliers can supply automatically, as Orlando's stock database can be linked directly to their orders database. They can make their operations more efficient and save time in terms of replenishing stock. Online showroom. Finally, their website functions as an online showroom. They can influence consumer decision-making by creating a consumer-friendly, searchable catalogue with with high-quality pictures. Furthermore, it can lead to a more personal relationship with customers through personalized rewards and suggestions, order tracking, and customer service. As a result, Orlando's can achieve a higher rate of customer loyalty. Entity Relationship Diagram. Here you can see the ER diagram we have created. Our ER diagram has 7 entities. Starting with the customer entity, each customer has a unique ID. In the database, details about the customer name, address, phone number, and email address are saved. A customer places one-to-many orders on the website, which then gets a unique ID. Each number has an order name, date, and total. The customer ID also appears on the order. Each order can have many to one shipments. The shipment has a unique ID, as well as details about the customer and order ID of what is being shipped. Furthermore, the attributes give information about the shipment cost and company. When the order is placed, each order can also have one-to-many categories of products that it contains. It gives some indication about the category ID, the category name, the number, the quantity, as well as the product ID, name, SKU, and price. The category contains many to one products. It has the attributes of the category ID, product ID, SKU, price, and name. An order can also have one-to-many sales returns. In that case, there is the option of getting a refund or product exchange. Customers will be asked to give a return reason and the quantity to be returned. Next to a return ID, each sales return will have details about the customer returning the product and the order. Many-to-one sales returns are handled by an employee. Like the customer, the company holds information about their employees, such as address, phone number, email address, and name. Each employee has a unique ID. One employee can handle one-to-many orders.
SQL query and results. For the SQL query, we looked on Orlando's website and clicked on the heading Jewelry. We want to buy a product from the category necklace and pendants. Therefore, in the query, we need to use the category and product table. With enforced referential integrity and cascade update fields, there is a link between the category ID and both tables. We are filtering the category name to necklace and pendant. Next, when looking at the website, you can set a price filter. Hence, we set the product price below £1,000 in an ascending order. We also select product name and product SKU to be displayed as part of the SQL result. This is what the query looks like in the SQL view. Now we will have a look at the result of the query. The selected criteria will give us the result with the category name, product price, product name, and product SKU. The result is the diamond solitaire pendant for £576 with the SKU 822. Below you can see the result from our query in our database table and a screenshot from Orlando's website.
Website interface suggestions. Now we will discuss ways in which Orlando Jewelers can improve their web interface. One area Orlando needs to focus on to improve their web interface is their website's usability features. An effective website should be easy to read, understand, and navigate around. A logical and consistent menu bar is a vital part of any successful website, as it allows visitors easy access to the information they're looking for. Currently, Orlando's site does have a menu bar, however the link to jewelry could be simplified by having each category as a separate link, to make it easier for customers to find what they're looking for, rather than having to click on jewelry, then select a category. We suggest that Orlando simplifies its menu bar by further dividing jewelry into sub-menus such as rings, bracelets, necklaces, along the top of the site in a logical order to make navigation easier and quicker for customers. The second improvement we suggest is that Orlando improve the web interface by providing more filter options to narrow down product search results. The website currently only has 2 filter options, which are category and price, which returns a lot of results and makes finding a particular product with specific features difficult and time-consuming. The price filter is also missing a numerical value. Customers can filter by price, however do not know by how much they are filtering the product by, creating further confusion. So we suggest Orlando's introduces more filter options. Orlando can improve its lack of filters by introducing more specific filters to each category such as size, stow color, carat weight, metal, and style. This will produce more accurate results when customers search for particular products, making the customer experience more efficient and thus more enjoyable, potentially leading to repeat purchases and word-of-mouth recommendations. We also recommend that Orlando add a value calculator to the price filter, making it clearer for customers to know what price they're filtering products by.